Hello guys, happy morning. Welcome back for second PU statistics subject. Today, I uploaded almost two videos for index number 5 mark problem. So today the last video for 5 mark question for index number chapter. So let me see. Weighted AM is over, weighted GM is over, unweighted AM also over, unweighted GM also over. And value index number we want to do. KDs is done. Consumer price index number is also done. Similarly, identify the suitable index number is also important. Ready for first question today? Compute suitable index number from the following data. And comment. Okay. Yes, here we have a items column. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. Item column, quantity divides two things. And one more table. Okay. So get ready. The first one, items column. So here there is a quantity, sorry. Quantity 1990 and 1995. Price in 1990. Okay. So items column A, B, C, A, B, C, D. First notation is a Q naught and there is a Q1. Q naught, Q1. So Q naught is 150, 90, so 60, 50. And here 160, 100, 60, 40. Their price in 1990. So this is P naught. Data is here. 10, 12, 15, 9. Okay, let me check which formula we're going to apply here. Because quantity is given, strictly this quantity index number, confirm. So we'll go. Q1 P0 is possible. Then Q0 P0 is possible. Okay, Q1 P1 is not possible because current year price is not given. So that this formula is Q01 last year's quantity of last year's formula summation Q1 P0 by summation Q0 P0 multiplied by 100. So that we need to multiply Q1 P0 then Q0 P0. Take out your calculator. First Q1 P0. Okay. So 60 into, sorry, 160 into 10. 1600. Now 100 into 12. So 100 into 12, 1200. Then 60 into 15. So 900. Then Q1 P0 40 into 9. 40 into 9. So 360. Then total of that 1600 plus 1200 plus 900 plus 360. So 4060. Similarly, Q0 P0. So Q0 P0. 150 into 10. 1500. So 90 into 12. 1080. It's 60 into 15. 900. 50 into 9. So 450. Finally, total answer 450 plus 900 plus 1080 plus 1500. 3930. 3930. Okay. That is equal to 4060 divided by 3930 multiplied by 100. So last year's quantity quantity formula 4060 divided by 3960 3930, sorry, 3930 into 100. So 103.30. So 103.30 is the answer. Now we are able to write the comment on the result. So comment here. Current year price level. Current year price level is 3.30% more than the base year price level. Okay, this is the first question to identify the suitable index number. So we'll go for next question. So one more is that. So everything is given directly. Now we are able to identify which index number first. So I'm going to erase this one. Okay, question number 2. Calculate suitable index number from the following data. And comment. Okay, so we want 3-column requirement. Okay, the first column, item, second column, third column, then fourth column. Everything is given directly here, nothing to worry. Okay. The first one, item. So A, B, C, D. Here P naught. Here Q naught. Then Q1. Okay, which suitable index number we're going to apply? Look at that, P1 is not there. So why? Because P1 should be there, so we're going to apply Pashy's quantity index number formula. But here is not possible. Q1 P0 is okay for you. Then Q0 P0 also is okay. Q1 P1 current year price is not at all there, isn't it? Now ready with formula data 30, 15, 18, 10. Then 6, 4, 5, 2. Next 5, 3, 4, 2. So let me see. Confirm. So this problem is last year's quantity index number. Last year's quantity index number. So Q01 last year's is equal to summation of Q1 P0 by summation of Q0 P0 multiplied by 100. So now we are able to multiply the first one, Q1 P0, okay, 30 into 5, so 150. 50 into 3, so 45. 18 into 4, so 72. So 10 into 2, 20. Okay, next. Q0 P0, 30 into 6, 180. 15 into 4, so 60. So 18 into 5, so 90. 10 into 2, 20. Let's see what's column total. 150 plus 45 plus 72 plus 20. So 287. 287. 180 plus 60 plus 90 plus 20. So 350. 350. So Q01 last year's is equal to 287 divided by 350 into 100. So Q01 last year's is equal to so 287 divided by 350 into 100. So 82 is the answer. 82. So base year percentage is less than. So you have to write the comment. $287 divided by 350 into 100. Okay, comment. So current year price level is 18% less than the base year price level. Right, this is the second question to calculate suitable index number. This type of question also might become in the 5 mark also. Okay, next one. So we have a 4 column. The same thing. Problem number 3. Calculate suitable index number. Calculate suitable index number from the following data and comment. Yes. So we required 4 columns. So item column, current year quantity, then we're gonna divide it. The first one, item A, B, C, D. Current year price. So current year price. Now here quantity. So quantity. Base year, current year. Now identify the notation. Current year price is P1. Quantity is Q0 and Q1. Let's see which index number we are able to identify. So here, current year quantity also given, base year quantity also given. So that easy to multiply Q1, P1. So P0 is not that. We are not supposed to use last year's quantity. This is a Pashy's quantity index number. Now this is Q0, P1 is possible to multiply. So this formula Q01 Pashy's is equal to summation Q1, P1 divided by summation Q0, P1 multiplied by 100. So ready with that? So data 30, 45, 100. 30, 45, 100, 22. 8, 10, 7, 20. Here 10, 15, 10, so 25. So take your calculator. Now first thing we need to multiply by Q1 P0. Q1 P1, sorry. Q1 P1. 30 into 10, 300. 45 into 15, 675. 675. 100 into 10, 1000. 22 into 25, 550. So total of that 300 plus 675 plus 1000 plus 550. So 2525 is the total. The 2525. Similarly, Q0 P1. Q0 P1. So 240. So 30 into 8, 240. 45 into 10, 450. So 100 into 7, 700. So 22 into 20. So 440. So total of that 240 plus 450 plus 700 plus 440. 1830. 1830. Okay. Now we are going to divide it. So is equal to 2525 divided by 1830 multiplied by 100. Therefore, Q01 Pashes is equal to 2525 divided by 1830 into 100. So 137.97. 137.97. So 137.97. So comment we want to write. So comment. Current year price level. Current year price level is 38% more than the base year price level. Base year price level. Then we go next question. That is called expenditure. Expenditure problems or value problem. Let's see how it is. We'll explain in 2 minutes. Expenditure is nothing but value. So that is equal to price multiplied by quantity. When they ask current year for both expenditure or value, your answer should be P1, Q1. So when they ask base year, should be current expenditure or value, that should be P naught, Q naught. Okay. So in this, so we didn't get when the given expenditure, so that is called P0, Q0 by P0, you will get Q0. Similarly, Q1, how we get? So that is P1, Q1 divided by P1 will get Q1. So this is the way to do for when the given expenditure and when the given value. So because very important, so very, very, very important expenditure or value. So very important. Please concentrate when index number sums we are doing. Check whether you are doing price or quantity. So very, very important, guys. If the given expenditure or value, that is price multiplied by quantity. If the given base year, both expenditure or value, that is current year, P1, Q1. So base year is given expenditure and value, so that is called P naught, Q naught. If you want Q naught, you are going to divide it P0, Q0 by P0. And if you want Q1, so P1, Q1 by P1, P1, P1 get cancelled, you'll get Q1. So let me start. Few questions are based on that. So this type of questions also you want to see. Don't neglect it. Every time they won't give you weighted AM, weighted GM sum. Seriously, they won't give you. So this type of sum also might be. Okay. Yeah, I got one question there. So just a minute. KDs, suitable index number, three sums of it. Okay. From the following data, last year's value index number. Okay. And yeah, question right. So for the following data, verify whether or calculate, you can write calculate Pashy's price index number, PAACHE apostrophe S. Pashy's price index number. Yeah, that's all. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column required. So get ready. Okay, fine. The first one item how many items? 3 items only. Okay, 3 items. Here we're gonna divide it 2 things. Here also we are dividing two things. Okay, let me ready. Yeah, first one item. There is A, B, C. So here, base year, base year. Here the given price, then expenditure the given, expenditure. Current year, price, expenditure. Okay, so let me identify the notation first. So what are the notation? First one, P0. Second, P0, Q0. This is P1. This is P1, Q1. Yes. Okay, data is ready. First, 468. 468. Then 16, 24, and 40. And 40. 6, 4, 10. 6, 4, 10. 12, 32, 30. 12, 32, 30. Okay. Calculate Passy's price index number. Okay. We'll write formula first. Let you know. So, in ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ formula, we can write it here. So, P01 Passy's is equal to summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 multiplied by 100. Okay. So, P1 is that Q1 is not here. Correct, na? Q1 is not here. P0 is there. So Q1 will get. Okay, Q1 we need to calculate. How it is. Let me see. So Q1. So P1 Q1 by P1. Correct? Q1 P1 by P1. So P1 P1 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ನಮಗೆ Q1 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. 12 divided by 6, 2. 32 divided by 4, 8. So 30 divided by 10, 3. Correct, na? Okay. Now we are able to multiply two things. So what are the things? So you're going to multiply. Let's see. Okay. Now P1, Q1, P0, Q1. P1, Q1 already there, na? It's not necessary to do it. Yes, we're going to do it for the total one. So we're going to do total one. This is okay. So now so P0, Q1, we need to multiply. So P0, Q1. 4 2s are 8. 6 8s are 48. So 8 3s are 24. Okay. Yes. Now, so very easy to total it. So P1 Q1. So 12 plus 32 plus 30. So answer is 74. And last one. 8 plus 48 plus 24. So 80. Now, P01 Pashy's formula, summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q0 multiplied by 100. So P01 Pashy's is equal to 74 by 80 multiplied by 100. So P01 PA is equal to, so 74 divided by 80 into 100 into 100. So 92.5. So 92.5. Now we have to write the comment. Comment is not there. Okay, fine. No issue. Yeah, because here Q1 to calculate. Huh? So yeah, P0 Q1. Fine. So we'll go another question. So let's see. I'm searching. Yes. Because consumer price index number also they're going to ask. There is a two method. One is aggregative expenditure method. One is family budget method. Correct, na? Okay. Let's see. Calculate consumer price index number from the following data. From the following data. So price, then weight the given. So there is only two methods, guys. One is called aggregative expenditure method and one is called family budget method in this. Correct now? So here weight is given nothing but, so we want to apply aggregative expenditure method is not possible because weight is given. So that time, so we have to apply family budget method. So family budget method is nothing but, so weighted AM formula, summation PW by summation of W, same only. Now ready? So here there is a price. So base year, so current year, then weight they given. So weight. Now, so this is W, this is P1, and this is P0. Correct? Okay. So let me write the data. 2,800, 2,500, 500, 800. P1. 2,500, 1,200, 3,400, so 1,000. So weight 10, 4, 12, 8, 6. So now formula, family budget method is equal to summation of PW by summation of W. P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100. Now calculate P, then PW. The first one P, then PW. Okay. P is 2,500. 2,500 divided by 2,000 into 100. So 125 into 10. So 1,250. Similarly, 1200 divided by 800 into 100. So 150. So 150 into 4. So 600. So 600. So, 600. 3000 divided by 2500 into 100. So 120. So 120 into 12. So 1440. 1440. Then 400 by 500 into 100. So 80. 80 into 8, 640. So then 1000 divided by 800 into 1000 into 100, 125. 125 into 6 is 750. 750. The summation W, summation of PW. So many people in this formula also, they multiply by 100. No. The weight is 14 plus 20 plus 6. So 40. So 40. Now PW is 1250 plus 600 plus 1440 plus 640 plus 750. 4680. 4680. Therefore, 4680 divided by 40. Finally, family budget method is equal to 4680 divided by 40. So 117. Yes. So this is the answer for consumer price index number. If weight is given, so definitely we have to apply family budget method. There's nothing but weighted year. So be careful. There's nothing but weighted year. So we'll go one more question for consumer price index number. So question is ready. Calculate consumer price index number from the following data. Okay, so get ready. So one more question I'm selecting. Okay, fine. So here also weight is given. Here there is a weight. First one, price 2005, 2010. Here there is a weight. Okay, this is P0. This is P1. This is weight. 3000, 4000, 2000, 1000, 1200. 3600, 5000, 1600, 1,400, 1,500. Weight is 10, 12, 5, 15, 5. So write the formula. Aggregative expenditure method is equal to summation PW by summation of W. P is equal to P1 by P naught into 100. First, we need to calculate P, then PW, finally total. Okay, ready? First is P, then PW. Okay, so 3,600 divided by 3,000 into 100, so 120. 120 into 10, so 1,200. So 5,000 by 4,000 into 100, so 125. 125 into 12, 1,500. So 1,600 divided by 2,000 into 100, 80. So 400. So 1,400 by 1,000 into 100, 140. So 140 into 15, so 2,100. So 1,500 into divided by, sorry, 1,500 divided by 1,200 into 100, 125 into 5, so 625. So summation W total 10 plus 12 plus 5 plus 15 plus 5, so 47. 47. What about summation PW? So 1,200 plus 1,500 plus 400 plus 2,100 plus 625. 5825. 5825. So aggregative, not aggregative, sorry, family budget method. Sorry, because weight is there, no? Family budget method. The family budget method is equal to 5825 divided by 47. So divided by 47, we got 123.93. So family budget method is equal to 123.93. Okay, here's the final answer.